Hi, my name is Michelle Nato. Here's my little paper, Michelle Nato, and it's date today. Um, so a little bit about me. I'm originally from Massachusetts. I was born and raised in Western Mass. And then I went to a year of college at Merrimack College where I played lacrosse. And then I transferred down to Florida Atlantic University down in South Florida about 4 years ago, where I graduated from. And center of the epidemic. Great choice. But so I've been here ever since. Um, a little bit more about me. My family actually moved to Tampa after I transferred down here. My sister is still in Philly, so she's a lot colder than we are down here. Um, I'm taking this class because I'm applying to PA schools, so I really wanted to become more competitive. And I actually applied to UNE before I decided to take this class, so fingers crossed it helps me get in. um, but yeah, so there's that. Some of my hobbies, since I played lacrosse in college, I really like to stay active. So play pickup lacrosse whenever I can. I play pickup soccer twice a week. Um, I love Harry Potter, and it's on the TV right in front of me. That's why you keep seeing me look up. So in case you're looking for a marathon to watch, it's on tonight. Um, I have two jobs. So I work at an OBGYN office, and I also work at a restaurant, which is a little slower now because of COVID, but that's why the online format is really helpful for me because it's kind of go at your own pace, so I don't have to worry about it, and I can kind of do it when I know that I have time compared to like trying to crunch everything in together, as I'm sure all of you know. Um, Oh, for PA schools. So I applied to a bunch of them up in Massachusetts just in case I wanted to go back up there. I also applied to some down here in Florida. There was some in Carolinas, some in Connecticut. So fingers crossed I get in. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much about me. But nice to meet all of you, and I'll see you in class.